Hi Missouri, this video is for the Pick 3 Pi method that I like to do sometimes. The method is just taking the first 6 digits of pi, which are 314 and 159, and then testing that in the past month or so to see if we can get the potential numbers in the next 7 days. This video is going to be a little bit lengthy, but I will be showing each Sunday and how I go about doing this process. So just stay with it. The lighting might be a little bit weird in this video. I normally record these at night, so I'm just getting the sunlight coming in, so it may be coming in and out because of the clouds and all of that stuff. So I will be moving pretty quickly through this, so you might need to pause and re-watch a few parts. So for Missouri, your state likes Sundays. The adjustments are -1 and then mirror, and I'll go into more detail on that in just a bit. And then so on January 14th, 825 hit. You're going to add 314, so 8 plus 3 is 1, or 11, keep the 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, and then 5 plus 4 is 9. So 139 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're also going to subtract off 314, so 8 minus 3 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1, and then 5 minus 4 is 1. So 511 also did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to take 139. You're going to add 159, so 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 plus 5 is 8. 9 plus 9 is 18. Keep the 8. And then subtract off 159, so 1 minus 1 is 0. 13 minus 5 is 8. And then 9 minus 9 is 0. So 288 and 080 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to take 511. Going to add 159, so 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 plus 5 is 6, and then 1 plus 9 is 10. Keep the 0. And then subtract off 159, so 5 minus 1 is 4. 11 minus 5 is 6. And then 11 minus 9 is 2. So 462 and 660 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to mirror the 825 to 370. Going to add 3 plus 3, which is 6. 7 plus 1 is 8. And then 0 plus 4 is 4. So 684. That one hit on January 19th. You're going to also add or subtract off 314. So 3 minus 3 is 0. 7 minus 1 is 6, and then 10 minus 4 is 6. So 066 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to add 159 to 684. 684 you got from over here. And then 684 plus 159, so 6 plus 1 is 7. 8 plus 5 is 13. Keep the 3. And then 4 plus 9 is 13, keep the 3. So 733 was a box hit on January 19th. You're going to also subtract off 159, so 6 minus 1 is 5. 8 minus 5 is 3, and then 14 minus 9 is 5. So 535 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to take 066, which you got from over here. So 066 plus 159, so 0 plus 1 is 1, 6 plus 5 is 11, keep the 1, and then 6 plus 9 is 15, keep the 5. And then subtract off 159, so 10 minus 1 is 9, 6 minus 5 is 1, 16 minus 9 is 7, so 115 and 917 did not hit in the next 7 days. And then that brings us to January 21st. 676 hit, so you're going to add 314. 6 plus 3 is 9. 7 plus 1 is 8, and then 6 plus 4 is 10. Keep the 0. You're going to subtract off 314. 6 minus 3 is 3. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2, so 360 did not hit in the next 7 days. 980 also did not hit in the next 7 days, but you would just subtract off the 1, bring down 80, and then 9 minus 1 is 8. So that was a box hit on January 23rd. You're going to also take 980, which you got from up here. You're going to add 159, so 9 plus 1 is 10, keep the 0. 8 plus 5 is 13, keep the 3. And then 0 plus 9 is 9, so 039. And then you also subtract off 159, so 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 minus 5 is 3, and then 10 minus 9 is 1, so 831. And 039 did not hit in the next 7 days. I'm going to take 362, which you got from over here. 362 plus 159, so 3 plus 1 is 4. 6 plus 5 is 11, keep the 1. And then 2 plus 9 is 11, keep the 1. So you're going to also subtract off 159, so 3 minus 1 is 2. 6 minus 5 is 1, and then 12 minus 9 is 3. So 213 and 411 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to you're going to mirror 676 to 121. You're going to add 314, so 3 plus 1 is 4. 2 plus 1 is 3, and then 1 plus 4 is 5. You're going to take that 435, or disregard that for a second. So you're also going to subtract off 314, so 11 minus 3 is 8. 2 minus 1 is 1, and then 11 minus 4 is 7. So 817 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to also subtract off 159. So 4 minus 1 is 3. 13 minus 5 is 8. And then 5 minus 9 is, or 15 minus 9 is 6. 386 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to also add 159. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. And then 5 plus 9 is 14. Keep the 4. Subtract off 1 from the 5 there, bring down 84, and then subtract off 1, and that's 484, and that was a straight hit on January 23rd. You're going to also take 817, which you got from right here. 817 plus 159, so 8 plus 1 is 9. 1 plus 5 is 6, and then 7 plus 9 is 16. You're going to also subtract off 159, so 8 minus 1 is 7, 11 minus 5 is 6, and then 17 minus 9 is 8, so 768, and 966 did not hit in the next 7 days. That brings us to January 28th. 935 hit, you're going to add 249, or add 314, so 9 plus 3 is 12, keep the 2. 3 plus 1 is 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. So 249. So, and also subtract off 314. So 9 minus 3 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. And then, 9 minus 3 is 6. 3 minus 1 is 2. And then 5 minus 4 is 1. So 621. And 249 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to add 159, so 2 plus 1 is 3, 4 plus 5 is 9, and then 9 plus 9 is 18. Keep the 8. 398 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to add or subtract off 159, so 2 minus 1 is 1, 14 minus 5 is 9, and then 9 minus 9 is 0. So 190 did hit on February 4th as a box hit. You're going to take 621, which you got from over here. 621 plus 159, so 1 plus 9 is 0. 1 plus 9 is 10, keep the 0. 2 plus 5 is 7. and then 6 plus 1 is 7. You're going to subtract off 159, so 11 minus 9 is 2, 12 minus 5 is 7, and 6 minus 1 is 5. So 572 and 770 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to mirror the 935, which was over here. That was the number that hit on January 28th. So 4 plus 3 is 7. 8 plus 1 is 9, and then 0 plus 4 is 4. So 794 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to also subtract off 314, so 4 minus 3 is 1, 8 minus 1 is 7, and then 10 minus 4 is 6. So 176 was a box hit on January 29th. Okay, you're going to take that 794 and then subtract off 159, so 7 minus 1, or wait, you're going to add here. So you're going to do 7 plus 1, which is 8, 9 plus 5, which is 14, keep the 4, and then 4 plus 9, which is 13, keep the 3. Gonna subtract off 1 from the 8, and that's 743, and that did hit on January 31st. I'm going to take 794 minus 159, so 7 minus 1 is 6, 9 minus 5 is 4, and then 14 minus 9 is 5, so 645 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to take 176, and then you're going to add 159 to that, so 1 plus 1 is 2, 7 plus 5 is 12, keep the 2, and then 6 plus 9 is 15, keep the 5, and then you also will subtract off 159, so 1 minus 1 is 0, 7 minus 5 is 2, and then 16 minus 9 is 7, so 027, and 225 did not hit in the next 7 days. And that's going to bring us to February 4th. 657 hit. Add 314, so 6 plus 3 is 9. 5 plus 1 is 6, and then 7 plus 4 is 11. Keep the 1. So you're also going to subtract off 314. 6 minus 3 is 3. 5 minus 1 is 4. And then 7 minus 4 is 3. So 343. And 961 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to take 961 and then add 159, so 9 plus 1 is 0, 6 plus 5 is 11, keep the 1, and then 1 plus 9 is 10, so 010. You're going to also subtract off 159, so 9 minus 1 is 8, 6 minus 5 is 1, and then 11 minus 9 is 2, so 812 and 010 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're also going to take 343, add 159, so 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, and then 3 plus 9 is 12. Keep the 2. Subtract off 1, and that's 491, and that did hit on February 5th. I'm going to also subtract off 159, so 3 minus 1 is 2, 14 minus 5 is 9, and then 13 minus 9 is 4, so 294. Minus 1 off the 4 there, and that's 293, and that did hit on February 8th. You're going to mirror the 657 to 102, so 3 plus 1 is 4, 0 plus 1 is 1, and then 2 plus 4 is 6, so 416. Subtract off 314, so 11 minus 3 is 8, 10 minus 1 is 9, and then 12 minus 4 is 8, so 416. And 898 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to also add 159 to 416. 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. And then 6 plus 9 is 5. So 565. You're going to also subtract off 159. So 4 minus 1 is 3. 11 minus 5 is 6. And then 16 minus 9 is 7. So 565. And 367 did not hit in the next 7 days. And you're also going to add 159 to 898, so 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14, keep the 4. And then 8 plus 9 is 17, keep the 7. And same thing, subtract off 159. And 947 did not hit in the next 7 days. And then based on all of that, these are the potential numbers in the next 7 days. They are circled, but I'll do a brief summary at the very end also. 409 hit today. We're going to add 314, so 3 plus 9 is 12, keep the 2. 5 plus 1 is 6, and then 4 plus 4 is 8. We're going to add 159, so 2 plus 1 is 3. 6 plus 5 is 11, keep the 1. And then 8 plus 9 is 17, keep the 7. We're going to mirror still, so 409 to 954. Subtract off 314, so 9 minus 3 is 6. 5 minus 1 is 4. And then 4 minus 4 is 0. So I'm going to also continue, so plus 314 again, that's 268. The math was already done for the 317. And then you're also going to subtract off 1 from 317, so that's 217. Then you're also going to take 409, add 314, so 4 plus 3 is 7, 0 plus 1 is 1, and then 9 plus 4 is 13, keep the 3. Subtract off 1, and that's 613. You're going to also subtract off 159. 6 minus 1 is 5, 11 minus 5 is 6, and then 13 minus 9 is 4, so 564. Okay, so you also will subtract off 314 from 409, so 4 minus 3 is 1, 10 minus 1 is 9, and then 9 minus 4 is 5. Subtract off 159, so 1 minus 1 is 0, 9 minus 5 is 4, 15 minus 9 is 6, so 046. Subtract off 1, and that's 045. I'm going to add 159, so 1 plus 1 is 2. 9 plus 5 is 14, keep the 4. And then 5 plus 9 is 14, keep the 4. Subtract off 1, and that's 243. Alright, so based on all of that, the potential numbers in the next 7 days are 217, 317, 268, 045, 640, 613, 564, and 243. I wanted to point out that not always, but sometimes when the numbers show up twice in a workout, they're very likely to hit in the next 7 days. I put 217 down there as a top pick because that one, for the most part for Missouri, it always falls straight. There is a couple exceptions to that, and it does seem to fall every 1 to 3 months. I do think that it is very, very likely, at least by the end of February here, or the end of March. But that's the one I really, really like for you, no matter what. So always keep 217 in mind for Missouri. And then that's pretty much it, everyone. These numbers may not fall exactly as they're shown here. They might do like 1 up, 2 up, or 1 down, 2 down. So for an example, let's go with 268. So that could show up as like 267, 266, 269, 270. And then, or 613, for example. So 614, 615, 612, 617. All right, Missouri, so that's pretty much it. If you do have any questions, just let me know in the comments.